Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are live here in Carson City for the SoCal Ballers League Interlodge Mason Basketball League. The matchup today for the second game, ABL Andres Bonifacio Lodge going up against Torrance University. As we start the official tip-off of this ball game, Andres Bonifacio Lodge playing with David, Loren, Manzon, Davis, and Chua. As for Torrance University, they have Chua, Tan, Garcia, Valdez, and Reyes. I'm your host for today, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. You know who I am. Together with our referees, Vince Camper and Marcus Reed. Together with our officials at the committee table, Stacy Valdez and Aki Valdez. Rounding up the officials for today as David cracks the first basket. Andres Bonifacio Lodge coming from a victory in their previous game against ALTP. Chua spots up and he converts, tying the ball game to a piece. Who are the players to watch out here for ABL? Well, for ABL, they got Vertujo, who's been the leading scorer. I'm not sure if he can still come back in this ball game. But they also have Jody David at the post, who has scored 17 points in their previous game. As for Torrance University, you gotta watch out for Tan, who is a streak shooter from long range, as well as Chua, who has been hitting clutch in their win against Brazen Pillars. And their lineup is beefed up with Reyes and Valdez. Both guys are shooters from beyond the arc. Of course, for ABL, they also have Davis, who can also hit it from long range. Chua is also a defensive stalwart for ABL, as well as John Laurel, who can be a slasher when he needs to. At the post, Manzon, on the other hand, is the playmaker of ABL, who is their court general, who has been setting up their half court and strategizing for his team. Sort of like a playing coach in the court. Dazzling us with his offensive prowess is Laurel, showing us his handles. But it was stolen away. Reyes navigating his options. Finds Tan. Tan will pull the trigger short. Manzon looking for his options. Finds Laurel. Laurel with dazzling us with a spin move. However, he doesn't complete the play as Valdez corrals the board. Kicks it out to Tan. Back to Valdez at the post. With a turnaround. And Chua controls the board. We are tied at 2 apiece in the early goings of the first half. Stops and pops for Chua. It rattles out. Another slow-paced ball game as both teams are undermanned here in this beautiful Sunday morning here in Carson City. March Madness as we speak before we end this month. Corner, Davis. No shooters, luck for him. Sluggish start for both teams. Valdez uses the screen. Back to Tan. Tan. Way off the mark. ABL seeking back-to-back wins. Crossover, challenging the D. And Laurel with the finesse. With 16 minutes on the first half. Remember, this ball game is divided into 2 halves. Both 20 minutes running time until the last minute of the second half. Chua absorbs the rebound. And Laurel feeling it as he checked for him as he releases it too strong. Reyes at the middle, traveling for Reyes. David, season opening, goes for the layup. And slowly but surely, ABL up by 4, 6-2. And smart play by Garcia as he uses his upper body to deflect the defense. Comes up short for David. Valdez against the double team. Foul on Manzon. Substitution. Monroe San Juan. This is like an all-star game. Different uniforms for both teams. But of course, they're undermanned, so pretty much understandable for Torrance University. Look at that footwork from Reyes. However, fails to connect. San Juan pulls the trigger as he misses that long-range shot. Garcia, Reyes, Valdez corner, Chua, they move that ball around. Reyes up and under, and Reyes gets the lucky bounce as we are tied at 6 apiece. Davis, stolen away by Tan. Chua, no numbers for them. In position is Garcia. Bagao in the ball game. Substitution. Oh, bunch of new players for Torrance University. Parang kolorum to Iba't ibang uniform. But let's just enjoy the ball game. Remember, this is a league of brotherhood. More importantly, just enjoy and have fun. The spirit of brotherhood. 9-6. Tuwa si Stacy sa kolorum 9-8. Mabiyahe na yung jeep. But of course, ABL not taking this lightly as they're seeking for their second win in this tournament. And Chua was able to save it. Whoa, slicing the defense, squeezing himself on that shot against two bigger defenders, San Juan and David. Laurel with a spin move, and Laurel, creativity. That was just beautiful move from Laurel. Well, those moves by Laurel, no, graceful with the footwork and fundamentals, a combination of both, no? Chua, Laurel, unable to catch it, falls away. Laurel extends for the layup. Remember, March 30 is the final day of the elimination round. We have 3 brackets for our tournament on this league. Our official score is 11-8. David attacking. Bagao. Valdez against Laurel, and no fear for Valdez as he drains it in, tying it up to 11 with 11 minutes remaining. We are tied at 11. Talk about numerology here. And Valdez protecting that ball against the pressure from Laurel. But you don't let Valdez get his rhythm, otherwise he will bust that 3-point range. Chua makes his move. Left wide open. It bounces off. Laurel taking that board crossover against Bagao. And Jody David will knock it down 14-11. Parang Team Shohoku to, no? Team Shohoku versus if you're familiar with Slam Dunk, no? Against an all-star team of different squads, no? From Angelina Boys, from Team Hawks, no? Combination. And of course, Torrance University. Of course, Torrance, it's quite understandable. Torrance University is playing undermanned, so as part of the brotherhood. Remember, we're all brothers here, so we are helping our brothers who are distressed, no? If you go to the higher ranks, you would know what I'm talking about. You need to ask one if you want to be one, as they say. So we're helping brothers in need. So Torrance University, they are in need of players. And answering the call is Valdez. 17-14. ABL will call a timeout. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Number 13 siya, si black shirt.
Kuya, ano yung name ni naka-black shirt? All right, back to the action. You are watching Interlodge Mason Basketball League powered by the SoCal Ballers. We have upcoming leagues this month. So register with our Commissioner Derek Valdez for more details of those upcoming leagues if you want to join. And now, Torrance University up 17-14 as Chua converts 19-14. Baka magulat yung mga kampi ng Torrance University if they win this ball game, no? Suddenly, two guys. And Jody David, high-low play, beautifully set up by Manzon, showing us his point guard abilities, no? Well, that's something a point guard should have, no? Able to have the court awareness and able to have the peripheral vision to find their open teammate, no? Pass first mentality. David against Bagao, body to body contact. That is something that we are watching in this ball game. Bagao and David. That should be interesting. Both guys with upper body strength. Bote. Stripped away by Manzon. Transition offense for San Juan. Bagao. Wearing Jordan 13. Oh, napakaganda ng Jordan 13 ni Bagao. French blue as if you're a sneakerhead, no? Stolen away. San Juan, and he gets the crawl from the board. 20-19. And ball is still alive as it was tapped away. Chua, point blank miss, gets his own board, extends the lead to 3. 22-19. ABL not letting their guard down against this all-star squad of Torrance University, Team Hawks, and Team Angelina boys. Well, this should be a confidence booster for ABL if they get this win because they are playing against a combined team of 3 squads, no? Angelina boys, Hawks, and Torrance University, no? So it is a momentum that they can carry on in their next game. Bagao navigating his options, challenging San Juan, and gets the end one for Bagao. He will be rewarded with a free throw. Let's see if he can close the gap to 2. Comes up short. Lopez. Again. Front rim. Bote. Able to keep the ball alive. Valdez. Pulls the trigger. It bounces off. Escaping the defense, Laurel. Unable to complete that move. Cross court. Lopez lets it fly, unable to get the shooter's bounce. Zigzagging his way, unable to catch it. San Juan up and under. Valdez. Chua. He sees a bigger defender, pulls back. Bagao, elbow, front rim. They got numbers, but Jody David goes all the way coast to coast, 26-21, with 4 minutes left here in the first half. Valdez will fire away, long bomb from Valdez, 26-24. Crossover, slicing the defense. Third try, nothing going on for David, but at least he was not giving up with that play. Valdez looking at his options. Miscommunication, substitution. Davis checks in the ball game. Garcia. Davis, left wide open with no one to bother him for Laurel. It rattles out. Lopez using the screen, hits all board. Baseball pass. David against Bagao, able to escape the defense. Creative move from Jody David, 28-24. Reyes, 28-26, 2-point game. David, like a juggernaut, interior presence. Reyes, bank shot for Reyes, cutting the lead down to 130-29. ABL going up against an all-star team here. But Davis burying the tray, 33-29. Bagao, Valdez, look at the defense of Chua, suffocating the ball handler. Corrals the rebound for Laurel between the legs, pulls up. David, second chance points for David, making it back to a 6-point lead, 35-29. With 1 minute and 45 remaining, cross court, Lopez, no one to pick him. And they will let him shoot. They set up Davis again, corner three. Back to back for Davis. 9-point game. Andres Bonifacio Lodge with the momentum. Davis decides to pull back. Takes it anyway. 3 shots from long distance for Davis. Catching fire here. And the crowd loving the shot of Davis. Short, comes up short for Jody David. 41-29. Using the screen, Valdez. Taken away by Chua. Lopez is there to cut away the play. Struggling for Reyes as he sees the defense. Didn't know what to do right away. Andres Bonifacio Lodge up 41-29 against this all-star team of Torrance University. Will throw it for Laurel. Long pass. Manzon. David. And that's 4 seconds. Forty-one to 29. Andres Bonifacio Lodge roaring here. And that's the end of the first half. ABL 41, Torrance University 29. We'll be right back with the second half. Okay, we start the second half action. Andres Bonifacio Lodge going up against Torrance University in this beautiful Sunday morning here in Carson City. This is the Inter-Lodge Mason Basketball League powered by the so-called Ballers. Just an update, what happened in the first half. Andres Bonifacio Lodge being carried by the duo of David and Laurel together with Davis joining the fray. And of course, leading the play is Marvin Manson, who is manning the point guard duties, their court general, going up against an all-star squad of Torrance University with Valdez, Garcia, Chua, Reyes, and Tan, together with Bote and Lopez. While for Andres Bonifacio Lodge, they are being reinforced by Monroe San Juan of ALTP. It reminds me of an all-star game, no? Stops and pops for Reyes. Unable to complete it. 43 to 29. Well, like what we mentioned in the first half, no, for Andres Bonifacio Lodge, if they're able to manage to win this ball game, they should keep their momentum going up against their matchup on March 30. That they're playing against a full stacked squad of reinforced players, no? So it should add to their chemistry for their upcoming games. David makes it. David is on a mission today. He has been leading all scorers. Well, Laurel is also making some points. So, who will be the player of the game? That is the question, as Andres Bonifacio Lodge soaring with a 44 to 29 lead. But this game ain't over yet. Now remember, for Torrance University, they are reinforced with a lot of players. Talented players, I should say, with Reyes and Valdez, providing that inside and outside play. So, this is far from over. 31 to 45. Laurel against the double team. Garcia taking it away from behind. Valdez, left wide open from the corner. They ain't giving this game easily for Valdez. 45 to 34. San Juan, the only import for Andres Bonifacio Lodge as he nails that three-point shot, 48 to 34. Chua. Now we have a ball game. Both teams now playing with much sense of urgency. Corner 3. Loren, too strong. Chua. Valdez against David. In and out. Like the burger, no? In and out. Gutom na si Aki eh. Kaya burger na naisip eh. But rebound by Valdez. 48-36. Timeout for Andres Bonifacio Lodge. This is a 12-point lead by ABL against an all-star squad of Torrance University. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Still love when you see success. Everything with me is best. Keep making me dance, waving my hand, and there won't be no threat. I know they cut the boy, but where's the man? 'Cause I ain't seen you yet. Matter of fact, I ain't even bleeding you yet. Can I bleed you yet? When I see you stand by something real, I don't need you too bad, bitch. You can't like with this real competition. You might have to ask me. Let's speak on percentage. You just fix. I'm not sure how to better that with you. You sound good. What you like that, baby? That's just that. I like that, baby. Let me get back to that for the record. Why would I come around trying to get hurt on with it? You think my life was rough? This whole shit, I got a son on the race, but I can see you ain't know nothing about that. Waking them up, know nothing about that. And tell them to put, know nothing about that. And giving them truth, you walk through life like day by day, know nothing about that. Teaching them morals, and taking them discipline, listen, you don't know nothing about that.
This is the continuing coverage of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. 3-point shot thrown away by Valdez. Reyes will try his luck. Garcia, second chance points. And kisses it off the glass for Reyes, 39-48. The all-star squad of Torrance University not making it easy for Andres Bonifacio Lodge. This is a ball game. Well, that is the challenge here. They give it at the middle to David. Chua ahead of the pack, and he will go with the flush. 41-48. ABL just up by 7, making a comeback. Torrance University All-Star squad. Reyes. Fast break transition. Valdez. From beyond the arc, but Chua controls it. Long pass to San Juan. San Juan able to knock down one 3-point shot a while ago, but this time it is too strong. (48-41). Corner, Chua. And Chua with the haymaker, cutting the lead down to 4, 48-44. Andres Bonifacio Lodge, they're not yet out of the woods as Torrance University All-Star squad are hunting them down. Baseline throw in. They set up the play from the baseline. Jody David muscling his way against Garcia, who can play pound for pound against the bigger Jody David. Well, good defense shown by Garcia there, not backing down despite of the height advantage of David. Cross court, corner. It bounces off. Garcia tracks down the miss. Baseline, Reyes, no look pass. He finds Manzon. Long pass to Baet, and Baet will not control it. ABL now using some reinforcements as well from AFPP, no? So, this is an interesting matchup. The battle of reinforcements, no? 48-44. Well, it's understandable because both teams are undermanned, no? Due to the busy schedule and all that stuff. No? Valdez against Chua. They tap it back. And they will convert. 46 to 48. Andres Bonifacio Lodge are in trouble. San Juan attacking the lane. David comes up empty. 48 to 46. They can either tie this ball game up or they can grab the lead. What will happen here in this possession? Reyes decides to take it. Loren between the legs finds David at the post, and foul will be called against Garcia. The drought continues here for Andres Bonifacio Lodge. Well, finally they can make a basket here, try to gain some momentum, and let's see what will happen down the stretch. This is the second half, by the way, and David makes the first basket substitution. Davis was able to hit three-point shots a while ago, and let's see what will he do here in the second half as they extend the lead to 450 to 46. This is the second game of our 4-game lineup this Sunday here in Carson City. Too strong. David. Crossover, and look at the dazzling move from Laurel. Unable to connect though. Backcourt. And that was an error for Torrance University. And now Andres Bonifacio Lodge playing with all their lineup. A while ago they were reinforced by San Juan and Baet. But for Torrance University, they continue to be reinforced by key players from different teams. Valdez, Garcia, and Reyes. Both teams, all players leading their teams. And that is the fourth three-point shot of Davis. All 12 points coming from rainbow distance. High-low miscommunication. Garcia finding his options at the high post. Valdez with a tough shot against Chua. Well, that was an amazing play by Valdez, no? As we all know, Chua is a defensive player and still was able to knock it down. His own version, Loren, trying to copy that move. However, he wasn't able to complete it. Kicks it out, Valdez. 5 straight points for Valdez. And don't look now, it's just a 1-point lead. 53 to 52. 5-point swing, courtesy of Valdez. He is on a momentum here.
Ha?
51 lang doon. Nagalit pa si Ate Stacy kay Kuya Ate. 51 lang. 53 to 51. It rattles out. Nabawasan tuloy ang score ng Torrance University. Na-correct ni Ate Stacy. With Kuya Aki here beside me. Power rebound by Reyes. Spin move. Chua with the end one. We are tied at 53. Free throws coming up for Chua. One of the 2 standing players for Torrance University, no? If Torrance University wins this ball game, no? Their teammates will be surprised. No, there are only 2 players and suddenly they won, no? But this is an all-star game, no? All-star team composed of different lodges. Against the double team. Pounding his way. And David convinces the referees that there was a foul. How many fouls for Garcia? Just 1. Oh, that was on Reyes rather. Reyes' first personal foul. 54 to 53, Torrance University. They're up.
Nice!
by 1. Our next game is Garden Grove Lodge against Angelina Boys. We are tied at 54. Well, no, for Angelina Boys players, no, it is a sort of warm-up already for them. So, on their next game, so it can be a double-edged sword for them. It can be a warm-up, or it can give them some fatigue down the stretch against a well-rested Garden Grove Lodge. Slicing the defense with the hop step, traveling violation. 56 to 54. Yes, Torrance is up by 2. Tama, no? Torrance is up by 2. Just double checking with our officials here. Aki Valdez and Stacy Valdez. Laurel sees no opening. They swing it around. David against Garcia, and David kisses it off the glass, ties the ball game at 56. Miscommunication between Reyes and Valdez. Yes, we are tied. Yes. Stolen away, coming from behind is Garcia. Quick release. And Chua is there to grab the board. And he goes for his 5th three-point shot. Davis. Another money for him. Valdez will try to answer right back. This has been a shootout. We are tied at 59. Torrance University All-Star not making it easy for Andres Bonifacio Lodge. 6 3-point shot, not this time for Davis. Reyes crossover, pulls back, and Chua unable to catch it. Torrance University will call a timeout. We'll be right back after this break.
I got a snap next step right there. Yeah, put them on 2. Tell Benny that he better stay right quick. My battle ain't go so late. Nigga feeling like Joe Hill Austin. 20 minutes in the field part, and I'm a 6'6", but we got
Back to the ball game. If you have just tuned in, we are tied at 59. ABL was able to make a run during the first half, but Torrance University not giving up easily here behind Valdez and Reyes, together with Garcia on the defensive end. And it will go to the Torrance University. Bagao checks in this ball game. No fear for Bagao, all board. Breakaway for ABL, and he gives it to the opponent. Valdez against Manzon, one-on-one. Able to shake off his defender. Reyes with the offensive board against Jody David. Can't get his man off the air. But Chua is there to save the day. 61 to 59. In the driver's seat is Torrance University. Reyes gives it to the other side. Chua. And Chua knocks it down. 5-point game. Torrance University up by 5. Laurel comes up short. Bagao with the board. Reyes on the run. One-on-one against Laurel. Bagao, give and go. Baseline. Goes hard to the basket with the reverse. and extends the lead to 7. Suddenly, the all-star team of Torrance University gaining some ground here with a 7-point lead. And look at Chua. Man-to-man, and finally, a fifth 3-point shot from Davis, 62 to 66. Box 1 play made by Valdez. And Valdez, cold-blooded 3. 69 to 62. 7-point game. Valdez has been hot here in the second half, keeping this team alive with 3 minutes and 15 remaining. Bagaw. Stops and pops. Pull-up jumper. They throw it to Valdez. Valdez left wide open, and Valdez will score 71 to 62. 2 minutes and 49. It's like a knockout punch. ABL didn't know what hit them at this point. Suddenly they are stunned with what is happening here. Valdez against Chua, challenging him, but Valdez will not falter. 73 to 62, 11-point game suddenly. Or 74 to 62, 12-point lead. Still scoreless for ABL. Well, this has been overwhelming for Andres Bonifacio Lodge. Now they are playing against a juggernaut of an all-star team of Angelina Boys, Team Hawks, and Torrance University. So they have given everything that they have here. Plus, they're playing their second game. So it must have been a fatigue factor. And again, they're also not playing with their leading scorer, Vertuzio. So ABL stunned at the moment. They are down by 15. 62 to 77. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Number 69, my favorite. Worship Pool.
Back to the action, the recap of this game. Torrance University Lodge playing undermanned, so they were reinforced by players from several lodges, from Team Hawks, Team Angelina Boys, and ABL playing mostly with their original lineup. They're only reinforced by Monroe San Juan. Fouled out, number 5. Bagaw fouled out. Fouled out for Bagaw. Or rather, Garcia. Garcia is fouled out. And over the limit is Garcia. But they're up anyways by a whopping 15-point lead. To 77, Torrance University. Well, this is a gift for the teammates of Chua and Tan, no? They were able to stand behind their team, no? So their teammates will be shocked that they were able to manage to win despite being undermanned today. But for ABL, you gotta be proud of what they did today. They were playing against an all-star team, and they stand their ground mostly for the whole duration of the game. Stay tuned for our next matchup. Garden Grove Lodge against Angelina Boys. Davis will try to hit his sixth three-point shot. And that's the end of the ball game. Torrance University All-Stars stuns Andres Bonifacio Lodge 80-64 with that second half surge led by Valdez and Reyes. That's the end of the second game. We'll be right back with the third game.